Gucokereria kwa magongona thiini wa dini ya Ithiramu gutikoretwo kuri kuhuthu kuma riria thirikari yanire kuhingura mirango ya nyumba cia ihoero guku bururi-ini, gitumi kimwe kiri wagi wa indo cia bata kuhariria etikia dini ino. Mithigiti miingi yambire kuhingura mirango ya aria marabatara kuhoya, indi gukinyagia riu kamiti irahangira gucokereria kwa mihango ino mithigiti-ini yugite ica ikuhi magongona thiini wa mithigiti ni magucokereria ta mutugo na mururumo mweru, no niguo gwika uguo no nginyagia umuthigiti uheo certificate ya kuonania ni mehariirie kuigana.
We don't want to open. We are issuing certificates for mosques that have complied. But as you are aware, this is not a one-time thing. We have to revisit mosques. Alhamdulillah, majority of mosques in Mombasa and Nairobi have now accepted our teams.
Kamiti yanire ati akuyo muthigiti bururi-ini ni uhetwo ngari ya ambulance kutagikira mogwati mahinahi na andu awendi mwega no mathiete na mbere na kuruta uteithio wa kuhura njeki mihango ino.
We are careful about stigma, but we have a portion of the graveyard in Langata. We are not burying anybody for Nairobi in Karioko. So we have all the burials for convenience of the disposal of the waste. Because we have facilities at Langata how we can dispose the waste that are used as a precautionary measure.
Muthigiti uria ukuna mitaratara iria iheanitwo ni ugutunywo certificate orio na kuhingirwo mirango riri kwirikanite ati thiini wa makiria maiku 540 cia COVID-19 igana rimwe ria 20 ni Ithiramu.
Out of 542 deaths nationally gives us about 22%. And I asked the question, is 22% what we represent as a population, as Muslims in this country? Or are we slightly higher than really what we should be? I tend to think that we are a little bit overrepresented in the deaths that we are seeing.
Mehariria maya mareyumiria riri mbukirira cia ungumania wa thuguri ya matharaita ma kwigitira na murimu ciakiriirie atongoria a dini magithingiriria thirikari gutacukia makinya ma kiwatho kuri ekwirwo na kwaga uguo mayukio itemi ria mung'ethaniro gutetera ihoto cia ng'ondu iria mareithagia.
It is most regrettable that some well-meaning donors have already given notice of withdrawing medical aid which was meant to benefit HIV, AIDS and malaria patients to the tune of 400 billion. That is how costly the theft of public resources can be. And the question we are asking ourselves is, how long are we going to keep quiet? And a few men and a few women are stealing money that is supposed to have helped the Kenyans.
Maugete ungumania ruhonge-ini rwa uguri na wendia wa dawa KEMSA ni uhutitie guciarithiria na gucokereria gwa kanitha nyingi iria ciagite matharaita ma bata maria makungirio wara na kuguna andu kiumbe na mamilioni ma mbeca.
Undu uyu ti wa hitho ukoretwo thiini wa public domain wandu acio maiyete na ni tukwenda kumwira atiriri ni kirumi maretha macokie mbeca icio na ni tuoria president witũ tukoria thirikari itu andu acio maraya mbeca na makimenyaga mbeca ici ni cia murimu makimenyaga mbeca ici ciukite nigetha mundu ungirwara homeo aheo dawa no uri kuria ehingirite nyumba kuria quarantine nigetha arihirwo kana ari thibitari arihirwo no igathie na andu anini. Turenda kuga atiriri bururi witu ri ko gugithie na mbere no horo wa ungumania kinya ri.
Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Julius Kareithi wa Munene.